Hello, my name is Dr. Madhavee Thakur. I have attended Bhavdeep Sir's finance workshop during the first lockdown. It all started when, like many other female dentists, I also stepped into the role of a homemaker during first lockdown. It was quite stressful and depressing for me being a jobless. And then one day, while scrolling down my mobile, I watched Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja Sir's video on financial literacy for women. My life took a 180-degree turn. Then I attended his online workshop on finance. It was his meticulous effort which kept all the participants glued to one place for many hours and listened to him very carefully on a vast and complicated topic like finance. He had simplified the topic so well. It gives me insightful on many points regarding income tax, like how to calculate your own income tax exemption for women and senior citizens. He gave us to solve many numeric sums as well as balance sheets so that we can get clear idea about it. This workshop breaks all barrier of age and gender. Anyone can do this if Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sir is your mentor. It gives you a next level confidence, a must do workshop. Thank you.